Oh, he's eating. He was actually eating food. This is actually some topping, some crumbs that goes on. Well, in Sweden we call it Pussi, but it's Felix abroad for obvious reasons. He eats. Oh my goodness. Oh, hallelujah. It was smelling that food made, that topping there made him go to the food. And now he's eating this. As you can see, the nodding is still a bit present, but it has drastically subsided. And we're treating the ear morning and evening. He's not amused. Oh, God. Thank goodness for small things. Yes, the best thing ever, an eating top. Well, you are also the best thing ever, gumman. Och du. God, I love my babies. Mina älskade barn.